Missouri offers a host of unique advantages and amenities, making it an easy choice for those looking to relocate. The state has a natural beauty that would put most states to shame. Beyond the natural appeal, a thriving economy and low cost of living are more reason to pack up and make a move to America's heartland. Here are the 10 best places to live in Missouri. 10. Ozark. Ozark has a population of 18,000. It's a great place to raise a family and enjoy the natural beauty of the Ozarks, all while benefiting from the amenities of a mid-sized city. It's just a short drive away from Springfield. You can get everything you need within minutes, but you've also got nature nearby at all times. Roads and streets are well maintained, and there is good communication with the local government. Ozark's schools are among the safest schools in the state. 9. Clayton. Clayton is a suburb of St. Louis with a population of 16,000. It's a good place to live for students, young professionals, or families. The median income in Clayton is $93,000, and the median home value is $590,000. Clayton is an extremely clean, safe neighborhood with great restaurants, parks, and shopping. The school system is one of the best you're likely to find anywhere in the state, with a 96% graduation rate. 8. Bonne Terre. There is a very diverse population, and nobody is afraid to make their opinions known. There are very few strangers. You mostly see the same familiar faces throughout the town. Most are friendly and will make an interest in you. The median income in Bonne Terre comes in at $50,600, and the median home value is $80,000 for 2019, making it one of the cheapest places to live. 7. Ballwin. Ballwin is a town in St. Louis County that is home to 30,000 residents. In Ballwin, there are a lot of recreational centers, parks, and camps to help discover, explore, and keep unforgettable experiences, explore talents, interests, and safe values and spirit of the diverse community. Many families live in Ballwin, and residents tend to lean conservative. Crime rate in this area is virtually non-existent. The cost of living here is lower compared to some of the areas on this list, with the low housing prices of $240,000, one of the reasons people are continually drawn to this town. 6. Town and Country. Median home value is one of the highest in Missouri, averaging $690,000. Conversely, the residents also enjoy one of the highest incomes in the state, banking an average of $165,000 each year per household. Its public schools are right up there with the very best, and Town and Country also enjoys a low unemployment rate of 3.3%. The crime rate is very low, 14 per 1,000 residents annually. 5. Kirkwood. Kirkwood is a perfect place to live, with excellent schools, high salaries, and safe neighborhoods. It has a low unemployment rate and high incomes. Its downtown area, steeped in history, has one of the best dining and shopping scenes in St. Louis, with a farmer's market to boot. Downtown is particularly buzzing in summer, when people from all over congregate here for the annual Peach Festival. 4. Wildwood. Wildwood is a suburb of St. Louis with a population of 36,000, one of the best places to raise a family in Missouri. It is not crowded and has lots of green space and outdoor hiking trails. It is easy to get out west to wine country or other smaller towns for weekend getaways. The families in Wildwood are upper middle class and friendly. The schools are very good, with a high school graduation rate of 97%. 3. West Plains. West Plains is located in Howell County. It has a population of 12,000. Compared to the rest of the country, West Plains's cost of living is 21% lower than the U.S. average. The unemployment rate in West Plains is 3.9%. West Plains works hard to attract businesses and encourage small business growth for the community. There is an active local art community, colleges, civic center, library, movie theaters, and several local parks. 2. Chesterfield. Chesterfield is a suburb of St. Louis with a population of 47,000. Many retirees live in Chesterfield. Today, it is recognized as one of the premier suburban communities around the St. Louis area. Homes are a bit pricey compared to a good deal of cities in Missouri, but the residents also take home some of the highest incomes, $100,000. Chesterfield's cost of living is just 4 points above the national average. Crime in the city occurs at a rate of 16 per 1,000 residents per year. 1. Columbia. Columbia is one of the largest cities in the Midwest state, with a population of 118,000, but housing prices remain low at $180,000. The city is growing in appeal because of a hybrid culture that captures the essence of life at the University of Missouri, Stevens College, and Columbia College, along with the economic promise of a booming high-tech sector. Well-manicured parks, good cuisine, shopping choices, and night spots help to give Columbia a distinct vibe and sophistication, and luxuries include a strong healthcare system, thriving downtown, and MKT Trail for hiking and biking.